Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a T-Rex dinosaur. Let's start with the dinosaur's eyes. Some dinosaurs could see super far, almost like having superhero vision. Did you know some dinosaurs had huge heads, but teeny tiny brains? Funny, right? Time to draw the mouth. The T-Rex had around 60 sharp teeth. Imagine brushing all of those every day. This dinosaur has a strong, round body. Some dinosaurs were taller than a house. Whoa! Let's add the little arms. T-Rex had tiny arms that couldn't even reach its mouth. And now the tail. Dinosaurs use their tails for balance, just like you use your arms when running. Time to color our dinosaur. Some scientists believe dinosaurs were really colorful, maybe even rainbow-colored. We did it! Great job! Guess what? New dinosaur bones are still being found today. Maybe you will discover one someday. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.